Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out if your Windows operating system license type is retail, OEM or volume. So without further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, when I go to this PC and go to the properties, so you won't see any kind of types of the Windows operating system license type. So by going to these properties, you won't find any details about what type of Windows operating license type your Windows computer is using. So for this, what you need to do, just open or launch the start menu and search for one application name is command prompt. So search this application command prompt. So open and launch it. So here what you need to type, you need to type some commands. Type slmgr, hit space, then type dash dli. So you need to type this command. Once you type this command, just hit enter on your computer keyboard. Wait for a few seconds. So finally here a new pop-up message appears. So here you can see the description. Under the description, Windows operating OEM. So the Windows operating system license type that my computer is using is a OEM version. So OEM is mainly for the brand. Mainly if I'm purchasing right now, I'm using a HP brand. So let me go to this PC again. So as I am using a OEM version Windows operating system license type, so you can see I'm using a HP brand. So it's being shown OEM license type. So if you're using a retail, that is if you purchase online any operating system or any retail shops, then you will see here retail. And if suppose you are using a government institutional or any educational operating system which has a large numbers of license, then you will be seeing your volume channel. So in this way you can find out the Windows operating system license types in various Windows computer. So if you never known about these features, then try it out today. And if you're in a need of how to find a Windows operating license type in any Windows computer, then you can do these tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.